Hello guys, welcome to lesson number 4. Now we created the first part of the animation. Now it's time to animate the fly, which is really simple to create. This is the fly. You can see that it goes here and then goes up and down and up again and down again and leaves the composition. So first, before we jump into that, let's finish this because we left this here, but I want to have an ending to this part because I want that on the second two the animation is just like this, the guy looking at the front of the camera. So all we need to do is to here copy the same position, and for the camera as well, here copy the same position. So we'll go like this. Alright, maybe move this closer. Alright. Alright, now that we have this, it's time to make this fly move. So first let's move this fly off the composition, and here is how we're going to create the movement. We're going to go to layer, new, and select shape layer, and here on this shape layer I'm going to take the pen tool and I'm going to draw a path starting from the position of the fly. I'm going to draw anything that comes to mind. You don't have to follow this same path, but here is how I want to do this. I want to draw this, then he goes over here, he goes like this, and finally he moves away. Just like this. I think this is good. Alright, let's see how this looks. Alright, so I have this shape layer and I have the fly. So I'm going to open the position for the fly, and I'm going to make the fly appears from this point, the second two, like this, and I'm going to open the position, and now on the shape layer I'm going to open the contents, open the shape, open the path, and now I'm going to click here on the path, not on the stopwatch but on the path itself, and I'm going to copy this with Ctrl and C, and now I'm going to move to the fly and I'm going to click on the position, and I'm going to hit Ctrl and B to paste this position. So you can see that now the path of the shape layer has become the timeline for the position of the fly. We just copy the path into this position. So we can delete this now, and you will see that the position is moving all along. So if we hit play, the fly will move like this. Pretty cool, right? Alright, now I want this to last a little longer because right now it's too fast. So I want this to be longer. So all I have to do is to spread this. If I take the last keyframe and I separate it, you can see that all the rest of the keyframes are moving as well. So we just take this a little farther, and now we have a nice movement. Move it to the 5th second. Alright, now the fly goes, moves, and that's it. So we have this animation, and then goes the fly. And now that we have this, which was very simple as I said before, now it's time to create the final part of the animation, which is the character moving and looking at the fly up and down. Alright, so let's go to the next lesson.